kissing.
Okay, boys and girls. Anyone remember what I do with these? Gracie? What is the same and what is different? Good job. What we're going to do is we're going to make text-to-text connections. The reason I'm going over with this again is because I only did it once with you. Number two, I wanted to show you again how to do it because you're going to be doing it on your own with some books. Okay? So, I thought it would be really good for us to go over what are things that are different in the kissing hand, which I just read to you, and a pocket full of kisses, which I read to you again yesterday, right? And what is the same about those two? Okay? Who's going to go first? Who wants to tell me some things that maybe are just about the kissing hand? What are some things that are different? Kinson?
My friend attend a kissing hand, and when he needs some love.
Kinson, I'm going to ask you to think about what you want to say first. Remember, we're trying to do that. Have the answer in our head first and then talk. Anyone else? Benjamin.
They also take a kiss from their hand looks the same.
So that's the same, right? They both got kisses from their mommies?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. They both got kisses from their mommies. Okay? What else? I'm asking this time just about the kissing hand. What's different just about the kissing hand, Tori? Mommy gives a kiss into Chester's hand. Mommy gives a kiss. Well, I'm going to say blows. Remember, she blows the kisses into his pocket. Blows kisses into, anyone remember his name? Digby. Digby's pocket. Yeah. Anything else that you guys want to tell me about how we're going to make connections?
In the kissing hand, Chester only gets one kiss. And the other one,
That's why I say Mommy gives a kiss into Chester's hand. Where this one says Mommy blows kisses into Digby's pocket. Remember? What do you mean? Chester gives Mommy a kiss before he leaves. That's right. In the kissing hand, Chester gives Mommy a kiss on her hand. That's right. Isabella? Oh, you're right. That's the same thing, right? That's something that's the same. Digby and Chester did not want to go to school. Is that correct? You were going to? Digby and Chester did not want to go to school. Anything else? No? Brian?
Digby, makes a friend.
He does. That's a good one. Digby makes a friend. Well, and because he makes a friend,
Because at
what happens? How does he feel because he makes a friend?
he was kind of sad, and then oddly needed to go to the water fountain to get a drink, and then he showed her, and then they just liked each other, started to like each other, and then they became friends.
Well, my question was, because he made a friend, how did it make Digby feel?
Happy.
Happy? Digby makes a friend and feels happy. Well, those are really good things. Let's do 2 more right here. Okay, Alexander?
Digby is wearing clothes, but Chester isn't.
Okay. Is that something that's a meaningful connection? No, not really. So I'm not going to put it on there. That's something that you noticed, and I'm glad. But we're going to try to keep this to meaningful connections. Remember we talked about those? Yeah.
They both had a good time at the end of the story at the school.
Oh. Well, do we know if Chester had a good day?
Yeah, but I bet he did.
So that's what you're thinking, but we don't know that for sure, right? So let's not put that on there. Okay? Grant?
Chester was jogging and
Digby?
Digby had he woke up in the morning and he woke up at the night.
Digby goes to school in the morning. Chester goes to school at night. Wow, yeah, those are different things. Chester goes to school at night. Digby goes to school during the day. Okay, I'm going to add one more thing that's really important. In both, the mommies love them. Isn't that true? Isn't that why they give them the kissy hand and the pocket full of kisses? Good job, guys. As you can see, I don't need to have 10 different things in each area. As long as you make really good, meaningful connections, you only need to have 1 or 2 connections. Okay? 1 or 2 things in there, really. I want you to think, are the connections that I'm making meaningful? Do they help me really understand the stories better? Okay? So boys and girls, I'm going to be giving to you this sheet. You put your name on there, today's date, and this is actually called a Venn diagram, and so I put that down there, Venn diagram, making connections. Write down the title of one book here, write down the title of the other book here, and you know this area is what?
Same.
The things that are the same about 2 books. Okay? So, look for a book and think about other books that you may have connections with. I know that Ryan already made a connection between When the Pigeon Drives the Bus, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, and Know David. You could have done the same thing on here, right? Good. But you're going to do a different one today?
Actually, I'll do the same.
You think so? But this time you're going to think about things that are different
Yeah.
and things that are the same?
Yeah.
That's fine. Okay? Who are my paper leaders? Okay. Boys and girls, I'm going to ask you to go get your book bags and then go sit in your seats, and you're going to have one of these on your desk when you return. Paper leaders?